Did you know that robots are now our allies in the fight against pollution, rescuing our planet in ways we never imagined? In today's episode of Robots Helping Humans, Real-World Applications, we dive into technology leading the way to a cleaner future. Picture a pristine beach, not a piece of trash in sight, largely thanks to the tireless work of a fleet of beach-cleaning robots. Today, we're zooming in on these unsung heroes and how they're changing the game for environmental conservation. Let's set the stage with Universal Robotics, a company leading the forefront. They noticed an ongoing problem. Human efforts to tackle beach litter were good, but slow and labor-intensive compared to what robots could achieve. Their goal? Create a robotic helper that could scour the sands, picking up litter with precise efficiency. Meet RoboSweep, a powerful yet nimble machine purpose-built to clean shores. RoboSweep roams beaches worldwide, equipped with advanced AI and sensors that differentiate between natural elements and litter. Think of it as a beach's very own housekeeping service. It's fast, efficient, and thorough. RoboSweep is unique not only in its processing power, but also in its environmentally conscious design. Made from recycled materials, it's as green as they come. Our protagonist for this story, Alex Carter, a manager at Universal Robotics, wakes up every day with a mission: clearing our coasts of litter and pollutants. However, this week, something new is happening. An unexpected storm hit the coastal region, washing a surprising amount of plastics onto the shore. For Alex, it's the perfect test and challenge for the RoboSweep fleet. Far from being deterred, Alex adapted. She mobilized her team of engineers and operators, arming them with their fleet of 20 RoboSweeps, ready to meet Mother Nature's challenge head-on. With every pass, the robots hum as they gather waste efficiently. Alex, with her relentless determination and quick thinking, balances coaching her team while ensuring the RoboSweeps operate at maximum capacity. The thrill of collecting more than double their usual waste quota leaves Alex invigorated. Unexpectedly, she finds beachgoers pausing to thank them, realizing the impact and efficiency of the robots firsthand. This moment is an emotional roller coaster of stress and triumph. Alex feels the weight of responsibility but also pride in seeing the hearts and minds of people change right before her eyes. Scenes transition to a peaceful day where Alex surveys the now clean beach, reflecting on how a combination of human innovation and robotic technology can make seemingly impossible tasks achievable. Robots like the RoboSweep are not just gadgets, but partners in our journey toward sustainability, she shares, teeming with an enthusiasm meant to inspire. For the viewers, the takeaway is clear. Technology and collaboration can triumph against one of the world's pressing issues: pollution. So next time you stroll along a clean beach, remember the unseen, hard-working team, both human and machine, making it a serene part of nature once again. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to learn more about robots making a difference today. Meanwhile, take an active role in reducing pollution, whether by joining a local cleanup crew or supporting innovations like RoboSweep. Together, we can create a cleaner, healthier planet.